Hi, I'm Cherbonnier. I'm a makeup artist. Today I'm going to show you how I do my own smoky eyes. Sometimes doing smoky eyes can be hard to blend, it can be overwhelming, so I'm going to use 4 of my favorite products to create a brown, beautiful smoky eye. First, I start with my Mercier Caviar stick in khaki as a base all over the lid. I just scoot it across the lash line, not worrying about blending. I'm going to buff it out with an eyeshadow brush. Next, I take my small, stiff Chanel eyeshadow brush and I blend out the Caviar stick all over the lid. First, I scoot my brush along the lash line and then I blend up to the crease all over the lid. Next, I take the infamous Coffee pencil by MAC Cosmetics and I apply it to my upper and bottom waterline. I love this pencil because it's such a classic brown. It's not shimmery and it's really easy to blend. After I darken my waterline, I take the lighter color from the palette, the Blurry Mauve palette, using the same brush that I use to apply my base and shadow, and I just buff the lighter taupe in with the pencil. I then take the same taupe color with a blending brush and just buff back and forth like a windshield wiper through my crease to add dimension to my eye. After I blend through the crease, I pull my eyeshadow out towards the outer corner of my eyes to add a more dramatic shape and to lift my eye. I then use my foundation brush to wipe away the shadow, perfecting the line and the angle. I love this technique of using concealer and foundation to perfect your lines. You don't have to worry so much about drawing a perfect line. You can easily just perfect it by erasing the color around it. Next, I use one of my favorite products of the moment. It's the Balm Essential by Chanel in Transparent. I love this product all over my face basically, but today I'm using it on my brow bone to just really pop the highlight on my brow, on the tops of my cheekbones, and in the inner corner of my eye. And lastly, to finish the look, a really beautiful natural mascara. I'm not going too dramatic with the lashes for this look because it is all about the haziness and the darkness of the lid. I like to reserve really dramatic long lashes for a liner look to really pull the lashes up above the liner line. But for a smoky eye, I just like a really classic mascara. After mascara, I like to do one more swoop of the taupe on the bottom part of my lid. I think it just adds a little extra drama and cleans up any of the shadow from before. I then take what's left over from the brush and do one more swoop on the top as well to clean up any mascara that might have transferred to my lid. Once my eyes are on, I like to go back and fill in my eyebrow. I'm using the Lancome Brow Define pencil in number 5. This is the golden brown. This isn't a very dark pencil, so I feel like I can really fill my brow in and make them look thicker and fuller without going too dark. I apply the blush on the top of my cheekbones, just right underneath my eyes, and I'm just gonna exfoliate my lips. I then take my foundation brush that I used before and just neutralize my lips by putting a little bit of that foundation over my lip. Next, I take my favorite lip product of the moment, the Maybelline Inkstay Crayon in On the Grind. I love this product for a lip liner or all over the lip. To finish the lip, I use the Maybelline Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in Loyalist. I love these lip products. They stay on all day, they glide on beautifully, and they feel really great on the lip. And this is our final look. I love this makeup. It is so chic. It looks so beautiful. There's a little bit of drama. It makes my brown eyes look huge. And I do love the nude lip that goes with it. So I hope this inspires you to switch up your makeup a bit and try a smoky brown eye and a nude lip. Thanks for watching.